Exactly, but these are just pebbles in the ocean. Throughout the Flair history, people like Nicholas, Flippy with that routine, the Bolton is King routine, people have tried to make their mark on Flair, but people continue to organise competitions in the same fucking way. So until the organisers of competitions change, then Flair will never change, and it will continue to remain stale. You will continue to find it hard to get sponsorship.
Yeah.
Because brands, who the fuck would want to sponsor a Flair comp when you're just making the brand look bad? You don't care about the liquid inside, you only care about the empty version of the it doesn't make sense in every way, but because we're so in it and under the water, it's just a lack of perspective.
I can see years ago how it worked for brands because you didn't have so much online activity.
Yeah.
And you had this videos that you could create and put through TV, and it's very visual.
Yeah.
Now you've got social media. Okay, you can give 10 grand to a competition, or am I going to put 10 grand into promoting my brand on social media?
Right.
I'm going to put 10 grand into promoting my brand on social media.
Right.
Immediately. I'd be like, fuck no, I'm going to do it. What's the competition going to bring me? And that's really bad for me to say because I'd love for them to sponsor a Flair comp. But I totally get it. Like, we work with brands for our bar school, and they want to see people pouring liquid. They want to see people making drinks from their brand. They don't want to see people getting frustrated, getting angry on stage, dropping their bottle, it flying all over the place, liquid flying out of it. Doesn't work for them. They would love to see a cool trick done with their bottle that looks good, but the collective overall of a competition doesn't give that brand what they need. You know, it's not the best way of showcasing a brand.
Yeah. Back in the days it was. I mean, it's always been like this with sort of Flair and the mixology world.
Yeah.
And Flair was, at its peak on ESPN in America. It was, $100,000 prize money, fucking huge. And it was going and going and going. And then the recession, and the sponsors backed out, and then technology, and then so many factors played a role in that.